Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a Google Map in Wix Studio. So let's begin. You'll first start by logging into your Wix Studio account. Then you'll go to the sites on the left hand menu bar and you'll select the site you want to work on. Now make sure your site has built on Wix Studio written on it. If not, you can always create a new site. You can start with a blank canvas or you can just select from a template. There are a variety of templates to choose from. We'll just select one randomly. We'll click on edit. Here we are just waiting for our site to load. So this is our site. We'll take a look at it first. Let's say we want to add our Google Map below this section over here. So we'll just click on add section over here. Now we have a whole section which is blank. We'll click on add an element and we'll search for maps in the search bar and select it. Now there are 4 maps to choose from. You can select whichever you feel is fine. Let's just go with the dark one for now. And this is how you just add a map. You can manage its location by clicking on it, and you can add the address manually, and this is the title, like what you want it to appear on the map. You can also add its link over here. You can also add multiple locations at one if there are many branches of your office or anything, by clicking on multiple and then selecting add location. Now there is another method of adding map to your site too. I'll also show you that. Here we'll just close this and add another section. We'll click on add an element. We'll go to embedded and social section. We'll click on embedded code. Now we'll enter the code over here. We'll clear this out. Now we'll open Google Maps and enter the location we want to share. We'll click on the share button over here and go to the embed a map section. We'll copy this code. And enter it over here. And we'll click on update. Now we have our map right here. We can edit its width and height from the code. We can change it from the code like this. We have 600 width. We can change it to, let's say, 1200, and the height from 450 to suppose 750, and we'll just update it. Now we'll see our map has also updated. We'll adjust it according to the size of our section. And that's it. Your Google Map is now live on your Wix Studio site. It's a great way to help visitors find your location easily and boost your site's professionalism.